In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete render cache in DaVinci Resolve. If your project is starting to feel a little heavy, or you just want to clear out stored cache files to free up space and keep things organized, this is a very simple process. DaVinci Resolve gives you a built-in option to remove render cache directly from the top menu, and you can choose whether you want to delete everything or only the cache files that are no longer being used. To begin, look at the top of the DaVinci Resolve window. In the main menu bar, click on Playback. This menu contains several options related to how your timeline runs and how cached media is handled, so this is the place you want to start. Once the Playback menu opens, move your cursor down until you see Delete Render Cache. Hover over that option to open the side menu. This is where DaVinci Resolve gives you two choices for clearing cache, and it's important to understand the difference so you can pick the option that fits your situation. The first option is All. If you choose All, DaVinci Resolve will delete all render cache for the project. This can be useful if you want a full cleanup, if you're troubleshooting playback issues, or if you simply want to force Resolve to rebuild cache from scratch. Just keep in mind that deleting all cache may mean some parts of your timeline need to be recached this later, so playback could be slower until that happens again. The second option is unused clips. This removes render cache only for clips that are no longer being used. That's a good choice if you want to save storage space without clearing cache that may still help your current timeline play smoothly. In many cases, this is the safer and more efficient option if you're just doing routine cleanup. So from the Delete Render Cache menu, choose either all or unused clips based on what you need. After you click your preferred option, DaVinci Resolve will handle the deletion for you. And that's it. That's how to delete render cache in DaVinci Resolve. It's a quick maintenance step, but it can help with storage management and project performance, especially if you work on larger edits or move between multiple timelines often.